goes, bro.
What's going on, man?
You wanna go? It's going back here. Oh yeah, my neighbor keeps wanting to race me, and then he keeps breaking his pickup down.
Well, how's he gonna race you?
I don't know.
Yeah, he's gonna push and see who wins.
He tore his rear end out, and then he had it welded, and then his transmission went to shit.
Sounds like he's trying to back out of the race.
He ain't been driving it.
You gotta take a shit back there.
It kind of looked like he was pulling his pants.
That they won't let me use that bathroom at that gas station. Now we gotta go downtown. That's where we should have went. Buddy.
Hey.
What?
Come on, fuckhead.
Yeah. I ain't got nothing to bust down. There you go. Yeah. Watch something happen.
I know, that's why I did that. Did I hear pop pop? Oh, that's fireworks. North side, you never know.
Damn. Are they having a game down there? What's going on?
That ain't at the... Somebody just bought some fireworks.
Fuck. Lost all my change.
Wanna go? See, something did happen.
Want to race? What happened? Are they done? Is that the 10th place?
Why are they open? It's just weird to me.
Oh, no. Oh, they are doing it right down this road, huh? Damn. There they are.
I smell burning rubber, too. Oh, yeah. I want to make you like that. Right down. Right down.
They just make Lisa mad.
You're so damning. I think it was fun. I think it was funner.
I got the bright side. Thank you.
You're welcome. I can't see. No lights.
Wait. Stop. I hope she's not. Is she sleeping? Oh, she's sleeping.
What are you doing?
I was gonna do the siren.
Oh, no.
I better not do that, huh?
No.
I got your brights on.
Because they like them.
Thanks for bringing us that wood.
Yeah. I wouldn't have put it there. Thank you.
Come on. No, you want to.
For which camera?
This one. Which camera are you looking for?
Well, I don't have the hand.